Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to Vlogmas day 5. I have the little nugget here. It is early in the morning. It's probably just after 7. And, well, I guess that's not really very early. But anyway, my hair looks crazy because I just threw it up in a ponytail because I'm going to go and work out after I have some coffee. Part of my morning routine. And I'll do like a full, like more in-depth version of my morning routine because I know a lot of you have asked about it. So right now I'm just choosing to have a cup of coffee. I like to journal in the morning, just get some morning thoughts out, read a little bit. So I'm gonna take some time to do that, and then I'm wearing some exercise gear because I'm going to go and do a workout upstairs, which you guys will see, or at least you'll see a clip of it. I'm gonna look crazy because it's like a dancey kind of workout that I've been getting into, but I'll talk to you guys about that later. Or actually, no, I guess I can talk about it now. I've been doing Kinergy recently, especially because it's snowing today, and I knew that this time in our weather's coming up. And as much as I enjoy running, I really struggle in the wintertime where we live with running because it just gets so icy and slippery. And I do have like winter running shoes, so it's not like I never get out. But I just find I don't get the best workout because like all the snow packs down, it gets really icy, and people don't shovel their like sidewalks or salt them or anything like that, which is a shame. So I feel like I'm trying to like not break my neck more than I'm actually like getting like a really good workout in. So anyway, I joined Kinergy recently. I tried them out during a Tony Robbins seminar. Phenomenal. I really recommend them. And I love that they use like earth elements like air, water, fire. Wait, air, water, fire, and earth, yeah. And like different breathing techniques and mix that in with dance and intention setting. It's really, really cool. It's by Julianne Hough, or is that how you say her name? And oh my gosh, Charlie, I find it brilliant. I really love it. And their workouts are anywhere from 20 minutes to 40 minutes. They're nice and quick, but effective. I've definitely been sore after doing their workouts. And I just find them like beautiful, like really, really beautiful. And I love the breathing techniques that they use as well. So that's what I've been doing just recently, like super recent. And like I said, I got into it because I knew that winter was coming and that would keep me indoors a little bit more, and I wanted to keep up with my my fitness routine. So yeah, I'm going to dig in and just have a bit of a quiet morning because this is my time before I dig into work. And I'm gonna watch the beautiful snowfall outside. It's just like that really light, sprinkling, soft snowfall, which is really beautiful. And yeah, I'm gonna do this before I jump into my work day. Actually, one thing that really like resonated with me in terms of working out more was Tony Robbins' seminar that we did was talking about how energy is life. Like it's when you're in motion, you're storing up your energy, you're actually changing your physiology, and it creates like a better, like higher vibration in yourself. And I mean, I think we all know that not energy, but exercising makes us feel good, but I never really thought about it from that perspective. So even throughout the seminar, anytime we wanted to do something important or we wanted to learn something new or whichever, we were constantly being told to get up and like dance and jump around and all that kind of stuff. I'll see if I can insert a clip of Sean and I bouncing around that I posted on Instagram. But it was so much fun, and I found it really impactful. And you know, it wasn't like a normal seminar where you kind of get sleepy and you're dozing off. Like you were active the whole time, and it made such a difference. We were in such a fabulous like state by the end of the weekend because it was a 4-day seminar, and like a virtual seminar, but it was absolutely wonderful. And that really made me like reattach to like just moving my body every day. So and Kinergy was a part of that because like I said, they were in the seminar. So very, very cool. Anyway, I'm going to have my coffee before it gets cold. Charlie wants to bark at her neighbor. So yeah, have coffee with me. Well, I just finished my Kinergy workout. I even cried during it. Oh my God. Sometimes like the release of everything is so beautiful. Sorry, I'm still out of breath. But they mix like personal development and spirituality and just gratitude and energy into everything they do. So I think when I was filming, I just showed you guys part of the warm up, sorry. But the class passes so fast. Like I was doing it for 40 minutes and it was wonderful, absolutely wonderful. So I am going to go shower and get my work day started. Well, actually I'm gonna eat a little something and then I'm gonna get my work day started, but feeling so good. Hello again, beautiful people. It is around lunchtime now. As you can see, I've gotten dressed for the day. Very 80s today, but I'm kind of loving it. And this is something that you guys can do too. If you have slip dresses or anything from the summertime that you want to use, then use like turtlenecks and things to layer underneath to get a little bit more wear out of them. I find it looks so much more chic. And I've just got something like a crop denim jacket on with this. But this is a slip dress. You know what, I'll link everything down below because I feel like that will be easier, or dupes or everything down below so you guys can see what I'm wearing. But I actually haven't worn this pearl necklace in quite some time, and this was actually a random find that I got at H&M probably like 12 years ago. Can you guys believe it? It always reminds me of the Sex and the City episode where Carrie was wearing like all of these like pearls around her neck. It was so chic. And that's what this always reminds me of. I just absolutely love it. So I threw on some high boots underneath and I belted it. I've got a Gucci belt on with everything. And I just love this pop of purple. It just feels so fresh because everything gets so dark in the winter time. And I'm loving that designers are starting to change that and incorporate lots of beautiful bright tones into the fall winter time. So this is lovely. And then I've got a really snuggly jacket. It's actually over on my bed there. Cream teddy bear jacket that I'm about to put on because I have to go and drop off some color analysis wallets for the beauties that have done colors with me recently, and I'm going to be sending them off in the mail to them because I get a physical version of everything sent in the mail. So I am about to bundle and head out to the post office, and then we're going to come back and gotta do some work. And I also got to get the little nugget out for a walk too because he hasn't had I mean he's gone out for like a pee to the backyard or whatever, but I want to get him out for a walk, and he's never been in snowfall before, and you guys are gonna die. I have a snowsuit for him just to keep him warm. Oh my God, because he's such a small little thing, right? I should say that we actually heard back from the vet, and first round of Charlie's tests are all good, which makes me, sorry, it's so bright, makes me so happy. Like I am thrilled. So the first test revealed that his blood does clot normally, which is wonderful. And now we're waiting on one that will take about a week for us to hear back. Something in his blood they're looking for. Is it platelets or something? I can't remember. Anyway, so we're waiting for one final one before we can figure out if he can have like his dental surgery and all that kind of stuff, just to make sure he doesn't bleed like crazy or like bleed out while they're doing like surgery with him. They're still worried about like the neutering process, and in all honesty, Sean and I were thinking of just leaving him intact anyway, which if you guys don't agree with that, you do not need to let me know in the comments. It is a personal decision. But being that he's got the health situation that he does, it may just end up being that we have to do that anyway, or keep him all intact anyway. So yeah, we'll see what happens with the little man. So I'm gonna get some of my packages ready to pop in the mail, and we'll have some snowy festive fun later. So I'm back from doing errands, and I've got this little guy with me. And it's so funny, like I took him out for his walk, and of course it's been snowing here, and he hates the snow. Oh, Sean just got home. But he hates the snow. He doesn't like it. He shivers. Not because he's cold, because he doesn't like it, and he waddles in the snow because he's not keen on it, but it's his very first snowfall, so I'm sure he'll get used to it. You weren't too sure, huh? Weren't too sure? Yeah. Anyway, I'm having a late lunch because it's almost 3, and I'm having a salad I picked up from our grocery store earlier this week. It's a ketogenic salad, but it's called the Ninja salad. So it's got cabbage, romaine, bok choy, peppers, collard greens, carrots, tomatoes, marinated tempeh, and black sesame seeds. I've never had it before, but it smells really good. So I'm gonna munch away on this, and I'm currently uploading the very first day of Vlogmas, which you guys have already seen at this point. And I'm going to do some color analysis stuff this afternoon. So, on I carry. Hello, beautiful people. It's now 20 to 6. I've wrapped my work day, and I am getting ready to cook some of the keto quiche. Now, you guys would have seen this in Vlogmas last year, but in case you didn't, I'm not gonna walk through the ingredients of it right now, but I'll leave it linked down below. Even if you're not keto, it is phenomenal. You're gonna wanna try this recipe. It's so, so good. So I'm just getting ready to cook the first part, which has like some bacon and whatnot in it. I've got a helper down here who I believe is wanting a snack. Right, my guy? Yeah. He's also wanting his dinner. So I will catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, here it is before it goes in. I know it doesn't look like much, but it will look great when it comes out. Charlie's. Are you waiting for it? You can't have any though, handsome. I'm sorry. All right, I'll show you guys what it looks like when she's done. Okay, day 4 advent calendar. I thought we'd open them now while I'm cooking dinner while it's cooking in the oven. So let's see what we have for today. So number 4, I'm literally looking for it and I can't find it freaking anywhere. Man, oh, here it is. Oh, are we on day 5 today? Oh my God, do I have the wrong day? It's day 5. I don't know what I said to you guys. Oh my God, it is day 5. So dense, and how stupid that I couldn't find what I was looking at yesterday. Okay, so let's look now for number 5. Oh my Lord, okay. Oh, here it is. Oh my God, staring right me in the face. Okay, here we are. So number 5 is a fragrance, it looks like. This is Eau Capitale. Ooh, I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm gonna open this one here. I've never smelled this before. I'm intrigued. Ooh, it's a heavier, like floral scent. It smells like one of those like really mature lady perfumes. Not necessarily my vibe, but I'll see if I can find someone that would appreciate this. Just because for me, I like citrusy, like light scents. That's more my thing. This is beautiful, just not quite my. Okay, and then for our tea. Okay, oh, there's 5 right there. I feel like I'm gonna break this calendar. Which nation do you think produces the most tea? Great question, I don't know. Today is, ooh, Rooibos Cream Caramel. That sounds phenom. I will have that as my dessert later. Yummy. Looking forward to that. You chasing Papa? You chasing him? What? Yeah. You don't know whose attention to get, huh? What? I love you, handsome. I love you. All right, Beano time. Good to have an end of day unwind. Oh, the lighting's all funny, apologize. And my hair is doing something almost rat tail-like at the back. How sexy is that? I just realized after the fact, I probably should have changed while I was cooking in case like bacon or something splattered on me, but we were all good. Meanwhile, Sean is in his sweats. We've got about an hour or so, or just under an hour before the quiche is done. So I think I'm gonna finish up the last of my journaling from this morning and sip on my wine slowly and read some of the YouTube comments from Vlogmas for today. I love when people leave comments. It's just the best thing. I love being able to like talk and interact with you guys. And if there's any suggestions that you want for Vlogmas this year, like if there's something in particular you want to see. I know I did ask just before Vlogmas started, but if you want, or like you have something in mind in particular that you'd really like to see, then comment down below, let me know. By the way, everyone today so far has said that they still want to stick with Chef Sean. I
don't care what they want.
Or they were thinking keto cook Sean. But he doesn't only cook keto, he loves his pasta and carbs, I do. Yeah. Anyway, we'll continue to name. Oh, we didn't put the tree on yet.
No, because I'm the one that always does it.
I put it on this morning.
Well, because I wasn't home. But you're normally still working when it gets dark out.
I know.
So I normally put it on.
Well, it's not like it's a laborious job. Alright guys, time for some wine. I'll talk to you soon. Alright, here's the after. How good does that look? Yeah? Me.
Okay. Ready? Go. Oh, that was a terrible throw. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Okay, ready? What cheater? Come. Come. Go. There we go. Come on, Charlie. Dun, 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 dun. Good boy.
You're so cute. I can't handle it. So cute. Okay guys, moment of truth. Ooh, that's really good. Babe, it's another good tea.
80%.
Oh my God, this is really good. So it's the chai, or no, is it chai? No, the creme caramel rooibos. Oh my God, so good. This is actually really delicious plain, or I would fully have it with like a little bit of coconut milk and stevia. So good, so good. I am so impressed with this tea so far. My God, guys, it's amazing. You know the struggle I've had with David's tea over the years? This is good news. Anyway, Sean and I are watching Heal on Netflix. If you haven't watched it before, highly recommend. We started watching it the other night and then just got a little too tired to like continue the rest of it. But it is brilliant. Brilliant. So if you haven't watched it, please go do yourself a favor and go search it on Netflix. I really think you would enjoy it. But I'm gonna cap off the night here. I just want to sip on my tea and relax a little bit for the rest of the night. So I don't know if this is gonna be a shorter vlog today. I apologize if it was, but I am sending all of you all the love to the moon and back. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and we'll hang out again tomorrow in a new Vlogmas. Bye guys.